Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Market right now is mostly expecting the on-farm payroll release because when Yellen has spoken to Congress, she said that it will be appropriate measure to raise the rate on March meeting, but if non-farm payrolls data and inflation will be supportive, so it will be appropriate. So that's why right now investors mostly anticipate rate increase, but also they keep an eye on the possible numbers. Another factor of risk for the forex market is the Donald Trump measures stimulus sphere for the United States economy. So currently investors know no details about it, and that holds the appreciation of the United States dollar. So but in the short term, we mostly will keep an eye on some tactical issues today. So on the euro currency, this is our chart that we have discussed in our weekly research. So we said that probably here we will be watching for small hand shoulders pattern as the first pattern and the first target that could be met here. And right now, as you can see, market is forming the right shoulder of this pattern. So it hasn't been completed yet. So that's why, guys, currently I do not see any reason to discuss euro currency again. Let's keep watching what is going on here. Let's wait when this pattern will be completed, because this scenario we mostly have described in our weekly research. But today I think that we could take a look at the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar is very interesting short-term setup. It's tactical setup, so maybe it will be interesting for somebody. So on the Canadian dollar, as you can see, market has completed moderate resistance area. So take a look. It has completed this A, B, C bottom 1618 extension target. It stands right at the monthly pivot resistance one. And take a look. This is daily overbought. So it's also very close to the fib level, but mostly it has been broken. So maybe this combination will be sufficient to trigger some at least minor retracement here, especially when the markets are coming closer to the non-farm payroll release. So that could push speculators to fix some profit on this rally on the Canadian dollar. Also, this combination, guys, of the fib extension, ABCD target, and daily overbought calls as the key trade setup on the Jordan-Napoli framework. So they has some common features with the stretch pattern, but as stretch mostly relies on the target as the middle between the overbought and oversold bands, keep it trade mostly suggests reaching some nearest extension to the downside based on this combination. But anyway, that is the resistance that could trigger for today, maybe on tomorrow, a couple of sessions, some retracement down. On the intraday charts, guys, we also have some patterns that confirm this possible retracement. So take a look here. We have the double crab. So when the target stands at 200% of this retracement, so some kind of the butterfly, but it's more extended to the upside. And right now here, guys, you can see the market has completed, has confirmed a double ripple sale pattern. So we have the first up, close below the 3x3, close above and close below right now. So this is Jordan-Napoli directional reversal pattern. So the target that market could achieve on the way down looks somewhere around 132.50 is the 50% support of the double repo thrust. This is not too far from the current area, but still not really small actions, approximately 150 pips to the downside. So if retracement will start, that's the first target that we have. Maybe if market will start to form some kind of the ABCD pattern here, then probably we could get better estimation of the target, some with a better precision. But right now, you can focus on this one. So if you're a scalp trader on the Canadian dollar and searching for taking the short positions, probably could be interesting for you. What else? Well, on the New Zealand dollar, we see right now not bad step on the daily weekly chart, but it's a bit early to discuss it. And on the Japanese yen, also it's a large butterfly could be formed on the daily chart. That's also you could keep an eye on. So that's what we see right now on the Canadian dollar. Let's see how it will turn. And of course, let's keep an eye on the euro currency. Today probably will return back to discussion. This is our major currency that we usually discuss in our videos.